In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scrolling text in Squarespace. This quick and easy process will have your website looking dynamic and engaging in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to need to log into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace homepage and locate the login button. Give that a click. Squarespace offers several convenient login options, and for this tutorial, we'll continue using Google. Simply click Continue with Google and select the account associated with your Squarespace site. This step ensures a seamless and secure login process. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Squarespace dashboard. Here is where you can see all of your websites listed. Find the site where you want to add the scrolling text. With a simple click on your website's name, you will enter its editing interface. Now that you're in your site editor, it's time to start making some magic happen. Look for the area or section where you would like your scrolling text to appear, and let's get started on editing. You're going to want to click on the Edit button. This option will allow you to modify and enhance the content on the page according to your needs. Here's where the fun part begins. You'll need to add a new block for the scrolling text. Look for the option to Add Block and click on it. This action is crucial because Squarespace organizes your content into blocks, which are customizable elements you can arrange just the way you like. In the Add Block menu, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type scrolling. This search will help you quickly locate the exact feature you need. No scrolling through long lists of options required. Once you've found the scrolling text block in the search results, it's as easy as clicking on it to add it to your page. Squarespace's intuitive design lets you place this block where it fits best in your site's layout. And just like that, your website now has scrolling text, adding that little touch of flair and movement to capture your visitors' attention. Take a moment to tweak the text settings, such as speed and direction, to perfectly fit your site's aesthetic. After making sure everything looks just right, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click to ensure all your hard work is captured. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added scrolling text to your Squarespace site, giving it a modern and interactive look. Feel free to experiment with different text styles and speeds to make your site truly unique. Thanks for watching and happy designing.